Today I am going to bring forth an accessories or cosmetics on cleanliness before my YouTube friends. Hi friends, I think you have guessed it already. Then search your memory for some time and it will hint you to the obvious point. Yes, I think it will must hint you to the obvious point. Yes, I am wishing to introduce you about a body wash that is from Hindustan Liver Limited. Moreover, I am going to show it from its unpacking to before use situation. At first, I am bringing for the packet. Yes, this is the packet. I am bringing for the packet to you. See the packet. Here is the card sign. It is free fast delivery, and here the Flipkart symbol. Yes, Flipkart part plus symbol and upper each Flipkart logo. What is it? It is for free and fast delivery. I am writing this free and fast delivery. Flipkart plus membership is essential for free and fast delivery, especially free delivery. And then it is the total packet, again the Flipkart plus sign, and here is some of your bills, and here is the assured, and here it is from eCard Logistics, the courier company, and it is prepaid order, so it is prepaid is showing here. See, and the numbers here, the date, and see the address. Yes, return address where the goods is to be returned if you fail to get it. Yes, again the barcode, I am showing you the barcode. Here is the barcode, and the address is here, is returning address, as I have said you before. The returning is here, and here is the shipping address or billing address, and again I am showing you from the first the barcode and the barcode number. Yes, the shipping, the customer address. Yes, and here is the barcode about the goods, and some of the good details on the upper side, and here is the packet. I am showing the packet from its every corner. I am showing you from every corner, and here I have to go with it, and so I am scissoring it. I have started scissoring. See, I am scissoring it with a clean stroke. I have cut it. Again I am going to do it from another side, and I am doing so. I am cutting this from another side, and this two side is opened here, so and then I am cutting it. No, I am turning it. Yes, just drawing it out. Yes, see the product here, the fleshy plastic cover product. The fleshy plastic is used to cover it and keep it out from the outer edges. I am smoothing it. See the fleshy plastic, and with the various air balls and several air balls here. The air balls are keeping tight the product while in the packet, and I am efforting it slowly by one. This, yes, I am folding it and doing it effort like this. And just wait for some time. I am keeping the bill. Yes, I am bringing the bill here. Here is the bill. See the bill. Here is the numbers. Here is the registered office address, and it is from Flipkart, order through Flipkart, the company name. Yes, online company name, and here it's the sold by the, yes, it is private limited. See, it is also showing here, and here is the shipping address. and the billing address true as same. So the two names are showing here, and the two names are showing here as the shipping address and billing address are of same. Then by the by, I am going to show you something, the shipping address and billing address of my name, and it is not for sale is showing it here, and here is the GSTNs and most other peripherals of the product. And I am keeping it aside and slowly to you, and one by one I am showing this before, and I am showing you again this. Just then, and here is the address, billing address, as I've said clearly. And now that, yes, the product, quantity, price, GSTN, and the total product body wash, again, and bringing it to you, 190 ml total content, and Nutra Moisture, the name of it, that is the body wash, very popular name in India, Dove. The raise actually 140 and printed rate is now 160, and printed is now 140. But see what I have got from the online company. See the price only 95. See the price difference. You may not get in any retail store, but I have get it through online company. And now go press the Dove use nourishing body. Yes, how to use the ingredients are also showing here, the body and so it's showing here the name and the price it's quite glorified here, and the company name Hindustani Unilever company Unilever Limited is also showing here, and net volume 190 ml is and now I am going to see the more about it, and now I am going to show about its some use. I am opening the cap. Yes, I am opening the cap and take it is taking it in my hand. You can see the little I have taken, and it cannot be used directly. You have to littering it, mingling it with water, and I am doing so. I am pouring some water on my pan, and now I am mixing it. I am going to mix it like this, totally mixed, it is totally mixed. Here you can see this, but here is one problem. It is not used to be on your body, as it is very thin. You have to make it quite thick and thicker, so you may give some on it. Yes, you may get some on it and then use on your body. Yes, here again I am showing the plastic. See the plastic, quite clear plastic is used here. Yes, this plastic will keep you from all the preventive rages, and the body wash will get into it. And before doing so, I am again packing it. I have sealed the cap at first, and then I am packing with the paper, yes, the fleshy plastic paper, and then I am inserting it into the cardboard packet like this. Again I am inserting it again. Yes, just spray, and then it is inserted, and I am keeping it. Yes, here I am keeping it, and from the another side I am doing so, and you can see the packet is as the past, and I am showing you from the first again, this side, this side, this side, this side, and bye bye.